Well, for one, mas maganda yung depensa namin, no, today. The last game we played them, I think Diallo was about 67%. Si Arana was 92% from the field. Si Balti, 100% hindi nagmintis. So, I mean, we look at those stats, and their efficiency around the basket was just incredible. Almost 95% on the average. So I think that's the first thing we needed to address. We made some defensive adjustments. Matchups namin, yung help side namin. No, we wanted to protect the paint a little bit more, get more rebounds. Doon kami natalo nung huling laro eh. Denominate nila yung loob. Tapos we got drawn into the defending those bigs. They got open with their threes. Nagtuloy-tuloy na, lalo na nung nag-foul out si Dion. We tried to keep close nung time na yun, pero wala kami talagang magawa. Masyado na silang malalaki. No? We tried to play zone, pero wala rin nangyari. No? So today we tried to make the adjustments. Mabuti na lang umubra. Pero I'm sure by Sunday we need to step up again. Do or die game for both teams. Isa lang sisiguraduhin ko rito. Pagdating ng Sunday, tapos na to. Hindi ko lang alam kung sino mananalo. So yun lang ang prediction ko pagdating ng Sunday, tapos na to. Mabuti na lang we were hitting our threes, no? That helps a lot. When you're making your threes, it helps a lot. Maraming naipasok na tres nung si Adrian.
Thank you, Coach Cheng. Adrian, hindi naging madaling first 3 quarters mo. But in the fourth quarter, you took it upon yourself. 28 points to push the team to game 3. Saan nanggaling yun, Adrian?
Saan nanggaling syempre sa mga teammate ko rin. Yun talaga yung bakit ko nakuha yung ganong puntos dahil sa teammate ko. And nag-stick lang kami sa game plan ng mga coaches and yung mga suggestion ng mga ibang teammate ko. Kaya nakuha namin yung panalo.
Thank you, Adrian. We now open the floor for questions from our fans from the class.
Well, congratulations. Kung hindi man si Dion, third quarter pa nakapagod lang tonight. This day, until the last few minutes ang game ng nakalagay na was able to avoid pwede ka rin ng game.
Well, you have to learn your lessons, no? Yun yung natutunan namin. Galit na galit talaga ako kahit kay Kailan pagka they're committing those I feel na avoidable fouls, unnecessary fouls. That gets us into foul trouble. You give up free throws. Those are the cheap baskets that you give up unnecessarily. Hindi naman kailangan eh. So, and pagdating sa ganitong series, every possession, every point is going to be important. So we try to emphasize that. Let's not commit the same mistakes. Then, yun nga, we try to play at our pace, which is just be quick, play at a fast pace, move the ball. We had 27 assists, so that's good for us. Yun nga, we shot well with our 3-point shots. And hanggang ngayon pa naman, hirap na hirap kami doon sa nila, no, yung downhill action nila, no? Kasi magagaling talaga yung mga guardia nila. Mabuti na lang si Heading kanina, may 22 points in the first half. Slow down a little bit in the second half, no? Which is, sabi ko, just weather the storm, no? Just make the shots difficult for him. Kung magaling siya. Kung mapagod siya or you played good defense and you made the shots tougher, maybe it will show, no? Yun nga ang nangyari, na patience lang, kayurin nyo lang. Ganun lang naman.
For past few conferences, you've been battle tested. Game 5 na kayo on your resume, semi-final appearances this year. You see it as a good omen entering the final game of the quarterfinals. Kasi nakaka-semis yung conference.
Gustong-gusto namin yung mga ganitong sitwasyon. For a team that's really hoping to develop into a contender, we need these situations. Kailangan namin mga ganitong test sa sarili namin. This is part of the process. Yung sabi ko nga kanina, bago mag-umpisa yung laro, just fight like hell, be smart. After the game, whatever the result is, we will live with it. So, yun lang, no? Just compete, kayo rin nyo lang. Gawin lang natin kung ano yung adjustments na ginawa natin. Manalo, maganda. Matalo, tanggapin natin. But you have to fight like hell, sabi ko.
Same mentality coming.
Same mentality, and we're looking for these kinds of games and tests to see how well we have developed as a team, how we can play under pressure, how we can adapt, no, to situations. No? Sabi ko nga, solid yung yung front line ng ng Converge. Kung natural mo lang silang lalaruin, wala kang schemes. Ang hirap labanan nila sa ilalim. So, you really have to scheme their bigs.
Then, ang daming mo na naman mga magandang sa dito yan. Pagkaroon ng mga story yan ng check-in, napitin mo na ba na parang, kasi yung mga fans parang napapansin na rin. Maganda yung mga galaw mo. Ipakulit ko na.
Wait ako pa, paano yung balik.
Wala, ano lang di ko rin alam, ba't nagagawa ko yung mga ganun. So, nilalaro.
Kaka-macho dance niya, mga ganun.
Kung saan na lang.
Napitin mo ba parang nagiging popular na sa mga fans?
May lalo sa amin, pagka yung mga tao na.
Ay, okay.
Coach, ang daming highlight reels kanina ni Adrian. May mga nakita ka bang resemblance yung players in the past na it reminds you of? Kanina may isa siyang bali.
Wala, nag-iisa lang to. Unique siya, no? Kung sa mga niya. Actually, nung una pa lang na pagpasok niya sa team, sinabihan ko na siya na meron kang talent slashing sa basket, may bilis ka, pero inconsistent yung outside shot mo. Sabi ko, pag na-develop mo yung outside shot mo, may depensa naman siya. No? Athletic naman siya. Pag na-develop niya yung outside shot, sabi ko, baka mag-MVP ka. So, baka ina-ambisyon niya yung binobola ko lang siya, no? Naniwala.
Coach, 0-3 kills sa Antipolo this conference.
Ha?
Your thoughts?
Yung
0-3 kills sa Antipolo this conference.
ayun ang gusto namin kasi yung odds sa amin na yan. No? Siguro naman di kami ma-0-4. No? So, if you're playing the odds, maybe that's good for us.
That ends our coaching press conference. Thank you.